So when mandatory is just made mandatory, that every year somebody has to conduct this, or has to undergo the same mandatory education, what do you think about that?
Well, I think a couple things. First of all, I want to say, as a leader in healthcare, I know why we do it. As leaders, we want to get there. We want to put a solution in place right away. We want to make a difference. What we don't realize is when we do that, we actually might send the wrong message. We might send the wrong message to people that says, we have a problem because you were stupid. I mean, let's just say that could be the way people feel. And it might not be the case. You might know, like, let's say we have a medication error. So I say, now we have to do mandatory education on medication administration, the 5 checks for medication administration. Well, you say, I know the 5 checks. I've used them for years. I've been doing this job for a long time. I call pharmacy and they got frustrated. They yelled at me. I yelled back and the phone hung up. And then I delayed the medication to get to the patient. Is that because you didn't know something about medication administration, or there was another problem in place, or even a whole nother competency? Maybe the competency was how to diffuse a high tense situation. So then the med error happened, not because you didn't know the 5 checks, but because of something else. So a lot of my work is to be able to help people sort out the right path and solution versus let's just educate everyone and see how that goes.